We have a really neat product from Andobil here in our hands. I'm going to open up the box so you can see, of course, but I have never seen anything like it. Of course, I've used them in the past. This is an SPF sunshade, and I'll explain to you why it's such a vital, nice little sunshade. This is going to be for your car, guys. You put this in the back seat, or in the trunk, whenever you park your car. Check this out. Get the sunshade out. Usually, these normal car sunshades are hard. They can't never all go back where they're supposed to. You put them in the back seat, they're always in the way. Check this out. Boom. And the zipper right here is where your mirror will go. And then you can just zip it up and all the way to the mirror. And this will stay. And this is basically so light, and it will block all the sun rays and basically eventually make your car really, really well protected from heat, of course, but also the sun rays that could damage your dashboard. And then when you're done, put it back in this nice little pack, and away you go. You can drive off and in a cooler car. This is such a good idea. I can't believe I didn't think of that. This is awesome.